Hey guys, welcome to Ride with Technicals. So today we will be discussing what is Dow theory and how important it is in markets. This theory is a very old theory developed by Charles Dow in late 1800s. This is one of the most important and renowned theory in the field of technical analysis. The theory consists of 6 major principles. We will be discussing these 6 principles in 2 parts. So before taking much time, let's understand the 6 principles. The first one is market has 3 types of trends: primary trend, secondary trend and minor trend. Charles Dow referred primary trends as tides, secondary trend as waves and minor trend as ripples. Primary trend usually lasts for more than 1 year. Secondary trend is few weeks to few months and minor trend is mostly few weeks. Let's see how to define trends on charts. The chart now you see on the screen is ITC. ITC has been falling from 350 odd levels and has corrected more than 60% in the last 2 years. But if we carefully see, the primary trend is still bullish. Let's look at the secondary trend. The secondary trend of the stock is bearish. And finally, the minor trend of the stock is bullish. The second tenet of Dow theory is the market has 3 phases: accumulation, participation and distribution. Let's see it on charts. In accumulation phase, the informed insiders know that in the current downtrend, markets have fully discounted the bad news. They accumulate at discounted price. So after elections 2019, market fell more than 10% in the span of few weeks and market continued to stay in 500 point range for few months. This is a perfect example of accumulation. Next phase is participation. When public participation starts after prices rise rapidly and now even the business and economic news is improving. The entire move which took place between 11,200 to 12,300 was public participation. The final phase, distribution, starts when all media carries bullish headlines. There is speculative buying on huge volumes. During this last phase, the same informed investor who began accumulating near bear market bottom begins to distribute before anyone else starts selling. A short period of time when the smart money leaves market is known as distribution phase. This phase was witnessed in early 2020 and this phase is again followed by public participation where every Tom, Dick and Harry goes out to sell their portfolio. The third tenet of Dow theory is market discounts everything. It means that over any period of time, all factors, those that have happened, are expected to happen and could happen, are priced into the market. As things change, such as market risk, the market adjusts along with the prices, reflecting the new information. The current drop on Nifty was a very good example of market discounting. Nifty dropped 40% from its lifetime high in 2 months, and Nifty exactly bottomed on the day when our Prime Minister declared 21-day lockdown. 24th March 2020 was the day of the announcement, and Nifty made a low on that day. What a coincidence, right? So the entire lockdown and its repercussions was discounted way before any lockdown was imposed. And since that day, Nifty is up 42% from its low made on March 24th. So this is it for today. The next 3 tenets of Dow theory will be discussed in the next video, which will be out soon. If you want to stay updated with charts and would like to solve your own queries, you can join my Telegram group, Ride with Technicals. You can find the link of the group in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you have learned something watching this, please stay updated with this channel for further learnings. Thank you.